Hydroponics has gained popularity as an innovative and efficient method for cultivating various crops, and strawberries are no exception. Growing strawberries hydroponically allows for better control over environmental factors, resulting in healthier plants and higher yields. In this article, we will explore the step-by-step process of setting up a hydroponic strawberry system. The first crucial step in establishing a hydroponic strawberry system is choosing the appropriate hydroponic system. Several systems work well for strawberries, including nutrient film technique, NFT, deep water culture, DWC, and vertical hydroponic systems. Consider factors such as space availability, budget, and personal preferences when making this decision. Selecting the right strawberry variety is essential for a successful hydroponic setup. Everbearing or day-neutral varieties are often preferred as they produce fruit continuously throughout the growing season. Popular varieties include Albion, Seascape, and Tristar, known for their adaptability to hydroponic environments. Investing in quality hydroponic equipment is crucial for the success of your strawberry system. Necessary items include a nutrient reservoir, growing containers, a nutrient solution, a pH testing kit, an EC, electrical conductivity meter, and a water pump. Ensure that all equipment is compatible and of the right size for your chosen hydroponic system. Hydroponic strawberries thrive in a soilless growing medium. Coconut coir or perlite are excellent choices, providing good aeration and water retention. Prepare the growing medium by rinsing it thoroughly to remove excess salts and ensure a clean environment for the strawberry roots. Mixing the right nutrient solution is crucial for hydroponic strawberry success. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for nutrient ratios and regularly monitor the pH and EC levels to maintain optimal conditions for plant growth. Ensure a well-ventilated area for the nutrient reservoir to prevent the growth of harmful pathogens. Carefully transplant strawberry seedlings into the hydroponic system, ensuring that the roots are well covered by the growing medium. Maintain proper spacing between plants to facilitate air circulation and prevent the spread of diseases. The use of net pots or slabs can aid in providing stability to the plants. Stay tuned for more on how to set up a hydroponic strawberry system.